illegal recruitment of county staff. Mr. Speaker, the governor supervised the recruitment and appointment of one Mr. Kiriago Godfrey Yangau and Ms. Imelda Kemundo Nyaberi to the position of Director, Human Resource Management and Human Resource Officer, respectively, by way of cherry picking. A process that was devoid of competitiveness. This recruitment did not satisfy the standards set out in law. Mr. Speaker, Article 10, Article 27.4, 56C, and Article 232, 1G, 1 to 2 of the Constitution of Kenya was grossly violated. And these articles that I've cited, Mr. Speaker, require fair competition and merit as the basis of appointment. The governor, Mr. Speaker, single-handedly instructed or colluded with the Chairperson County Public Service Board to issue the letters of appointment to the two officers against the law, and without the knowledge of the CEO of Nyamira County Public Service Board. The governor and the Chairperson County Public Service Board jointly usurped the functions of the CEO of Nyamira County Public Service Board, contrary to Section 15 of the County Public Act. The County Human Resource Policy Manual, which states that the decisions of the County Public Service Board will be communicated through the Secretary, County Public Service Board. The Employment and Labor Relations Court in Kisumu, in ELRC, petition number E047 of 2021,